You can use greater than or less than operators in your if statements to check if particular value is greater than or less than something. Here I have age set to 21, and then I'm checking if age is equal to 21. Then I'm changing the message to Jane is 21 and printing on my screen. But if I change this to 100 and I want to print Jane is older than 21, then it's not going to print because we're checking age is equal to 21. I can change this to greater than sign and change the message to Jane is older than 21. Then it's gonna print Jane is older than 21 because this condition is true. Age is greater than 21. Age is 100. You can also use less than operators here. If I change this to less than operator, it's not going to print anything because age is 100. It's not less than 21. If I change this to 10 and then refresh the page, then it's going to print Jane is older than 21. This should be younger actually. So I'm going to change this to younger and then refresh the page. Then it's going to say Jane is younger than 21. You can also use less than or equal to signs. Like if I change this to 21, then it's going to print no message because 21 is not less than 21. If I change this to less than or equal to, that means Jane is either 21 or younger than 21. So I'm going to change this to Jane is 21 or younger than 21. And now if I refresh the page, it's going to print Jane is younger than 21 or 21. And you can do the same thing with greater than. If I change this to greater than sign and change this to older and then refresh the page, it's going to print Jane is older than 21 or 21. And even if I make her 210 years old and then refresh the page, it's going to print Jane is older than 21. So this is how you can use greater than and less than operators. In the next section, I'm going to talk about strict comparisons.